Today we're going to have a look at the Barix RetailPlayer. This is Barix's latest solution for streaming music distribution, targeting retail outlets or any other kind of application that requires streaming music to be distributed to many locations. The Barix RetailPlayer solution consists of two elements. The Barix RetailPlayer decoder device that goes on premises and the Barix RetailPlayer Portal. The Barix RetailPlayer decoder is a brand new ultra-compact device from Barix, featuring deep audio buffer and an MTBF of 25 years. Its metal case makes it indestructible. The philosophy of the RetailPlayer is that you ship it on location where it's being connected to the network it's powered, and via the 3.5mm audio jack it's connected to the stereo system. Everything else is done from the RetailPlayer Portal. The Portal is available as subscription-based cloud solution, or alternatively can be installed on the customer server, for example, because of security requirements. First, we enter the organizational structure so we can manage multiple clients on here. If I would like to add a location to my Food People Co., I basically click plus, I add the location, and if I'm not happy with the allocation of that location, I can change the hierarchy. In the user management, I can set up users, assign passwords, and provide privileges of what level of the organizational structure they're allowed to look into or even administer. In the next step, we would like to define the channels that can be played by the RetailPlayer solution. RetailPlayer solution does not provide any streaming of channels, but it handles already available channels in the internet. As an alternative, there are other Barix devices that can generate streams. Setting up channels is simple. You go to the channel menu, you add a new channel, name it, define which organizational unit this should apply to, and copy the URL. RetailPlayer allows the user to bundle channels into channel lists, so that the end user at his playing device can be given the option to select from a list of channels. At the last step of my setup, I need to register the device. When I ship a device to a client's location, all I need to do is mark down the MAC address of that device. I now go to Devices, I add a device, I add the MAC address of that device, and I select what organizational unit it belongs to. I define the channel list, and I can define the default channel it should be playing. A very unique feature of RetailPlayer is the ability to generate a QR code. This QR code I can stick on the RetailPlayer or in the shop's operator manual. All the shop operator needs to do is take his mobile, go on camera, scan the code. The phone opens a control application where I now can change channels, if allowed to do so by the setup, or change volume. The Barix RetailPlayer solution follows the latest standard of IoT architecture, features high security, so it's even usable in very security-concerned environments. Barix RetailPlayer has won the Rave Best Product at IEC 2018 award. If you want to know more about the Barix RetailPlayer solution, go to www.barix.com or contact us at sales@barix.com.